So there are many ways how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, especially if you are a complete beginner. But this particular video is a video that not a lot of gurus online are talking about, and this is something that I implemented myself with the power of GoHighLevel. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can make $5,000 per month, especially if you're a beginner with GoHighLevel. Now, this is going to be a very in-depth video. I will try to make it shorter. It will be broken down into two different categories. So the first category, or the first section of the video, will be within whiteboard. So I'll just show you within whiteboard what I mean by and how to position yourself, to make $5,000. And then second part of the video will be in GoHighLevel. Now for this, you will need to have GoHighLevel account, so you can check out our free trial down below. You have 30 days free trial with our link. So that's one thing that you can do, right? Now, the second thing that you can do is, let's go to the whiteboard and let me show you. So the first thing right here that you want to understand is that we have a business owner right here. And a business owner, so let's say this is a business owner, B. That business owner wants to either make more money, right? So make more money, or that business owner wants to save more time, right? So either he wants to make more money or he wants to save more time. Now, both of these can be solved with one specific thing. I will show you what that thing is. But what I want to say right here is that those are the two main problems that business owners are encountering. Now, for me personally, I will speak from my experience. Personally, like I hired one person, a couple of days to create an automation for me, which is going to save me a lot of time. And that automation is following up with prospects whenever, they book a call with me. So whenever a prospect books a call with me, they are getting a call automation before the appointment. So this is called a pre-appointment automation. Let's say a business owner wants to make more money with email. They will hire an email marketing agency or someone to, set up the automations for their email. So you get the point that by now, even if a business owner wants to make more money or wants to save more time, they need to do one certain thing, and that is they need to hire someone to automate a part of their business. Whether that's to automate email sequences that will make more money, right? Or whether that's to, automate follow-ups to save more time and make more money. So again, these are the follow-ups, these are the emails. Again, in both cases, you need automations. And I personally thought that automations, that they are not going to save me a lot of time. However, I started hiring a lot of people personally as a business owner to get those automations set up. So the point of this video is that you can sell automations to other businesses, and you can sell them for, $1,000 or less. Usually it's not that more than this, but again, if you can do it. And yeah, you only need like 5 clients a month for this. Again, these are one-time things, so one time, or you can also, charge someone to do like automation one time. You can do like automation one time, and then you can charge someone like $100 or $200 to maintain that automation. This is in rare cases, but sometimes that happens as well. So that's what you can do with GoHighLevel, and that's why I am recording this particular tutorial. So let's go into GoHighLevel and let me show you. So first of all, obviously you will need to find businesses that you want to work with. Now I would highly advise you businesses that are digital. So digital businesses, my writing is terrible, I know. However, digital businesses are by far the best ones. So agencies, SaaS businesses, e-commerce businesses, info product businesses. So info product, any type of digital business. Also, like local businesses are also good, local businesses. Because if they're like a restaurant that wants to automate like their orders or something like that, they will hire you. So yeah, let's get back to the point. So in the GoHighLevel, if you go to the sub account, and again, if you check out our link below, you can get 30 days free on GoHighLevel. So if you go to automation here, what you can do is you can go here and you can create a workflow. So you can select a recipe. A recipe is basically a template. And for some of these automations, you don't need to even know how to create an automation. How crazy is that? Like, for example, you are working with an e-commerce store. You can use the Shopify plus AI template that integrates the AI memory key to optimize your interaction with the present and potential customers. How crazy is that? So you can use this, you can select this, right? Let's select it here, and you will see how this looks like. Obviously, it will look like a bit more complex if you're a beginner, especially if you don't know how to use automations. But as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? And you don't need to do here anything at all. Obviously, the emails, you will need to go and you will need to change a couple of emails right here. But it's already like ChatGPT is already giving responses. So probably you will need to go into ChatGPT and just change that, right? However, you get the point. Yes, here's the prompt. So you can change the prompt and you can resell this automation to someone else. So you get the point, right? And by the way, this is the one. I'll just delete this workflow because I don't need it right here. So what I will do right now is if we go to select a recipe again, as you can see, you have a lot of recipes, a lot of templates that you can use. So send product recommendation using ChatGPT for Turbo. So you can send product recommendation using ChatGPT to prepare an email and send to the customers who bought a product in Shopify. Really great for e-commerce businesses. Expose the user comment to Workflow AI and use the output as a response to the comment. This one is a more complex one. But let's say this one, right? Use the recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Facebook. So basically you can automate comments on Facebook. You can also automate Instagram comments as well. So you can also work with creators or, pages on Instagram. That's also one thing that you can do. Appointment confirmation reminder. This is like a lot of people want this and a lot of people need this. Again, like for example, me personally, I didn't know how to set it up, so I hired someone to do this for me. So again, you get the point. These are all the things and all the basically like templates for the automation that you can use for your own business and to resell later on. So these are the things, or these are the automations that you can resell to agencies, softwares, info product businesses, e-commerce businesses. So you can basically go and use that, use GoHighLevel to do that. Now, how can you actually find those businesses? Right now, finding those businesses is a little bit difficult. Sometimes you can even, I didn't actually say this, but you can even sell this to AI businesses, which is really awesome. So how can you actually find these businesses? Well, that's a good point. There are directories of SaaS businesses. For example, if you go to Google and if we go SaaS business directory or SaaS companies directory, yeah, you can use that. Like you can find comparable companies, as you can see right here. So you can use that to basically go and search for the companies and find the companies that you want to work with. So that's one thing that you can do. Second thing that you can do is you can go to G2, for example, or Product Hunt. Here you can just see new softwares that are here getting around. In terms of the agencies and how you can find agencies and other other softwares, info products, what I use is Apollo. So you can use Apollo. Again, you will need to spend some money to actually invest in this. As you can see, Apollo is, I think, what it is. I think it's like free, and then you have basic, which is not sure exactly how much it costs, but I think it's like you have 14-day free trial, right? So that's the first thing you can do. It's really, really good, especially if you want to find companies. As I said, agencies, softwares, e-commerce companies, info products. So again, you can use Apollo, and then obviously you can use Smart Lead to set that up and to basically send those emails to those companies. Now, this is just like a surface level knowledge. I kind of showed you what you can do, what you cannot do. However, I would advise you to kind of go alone in this and see who you can target. Make sure it's a specific automations that you're helping with. And then all you have to do is, just find the people, use the GoHighLevel. You can use our 30-day free trial link down below, and you can land clients with your, GoHighLevel knowledge. So if you want to learn how to set up automations and stuff like that, you can do that on our channel. We have a bunch of GoHighLevel automations tutorials. We have a bunch of other tutorials on GoHighLevel as well. So definitely check that out. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.